Good morning, everyone. About 6:15. Had to come this morning. Ain't been in a couple days, and I've done been by this spot once. I can't believe I walked by it. Looks like some kind of drill. Let's see if it's whole. Oh my goodness! Look what a drill. Wow! Look at that base. Ooh, that water's cold. Can't believe I walked by this thing. Look what a drill, y'all. Heck yeah. That is a way to start the morning. Wise friend once said, early bird gets the worm. I am so glad I was up and out here. Whew. Alright. The day is just getting started. I will definitely be back. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.